Good morning, this is Shaggy Turf. Anyway, I'm here at this park that we walk on the trail. This is a building that I kind of think I showed a while back. It got flooded out. It was like a place you could rent. And it got flooded out and then there's black mold in it. Blah, blah, blah. Anyway, they are actually tearing it down today. We just happened to come down here to go for a walk. And here they are, tearing it down. This is by this riverbank that had given way down over here. Anyway, yeah, there's all that destruction. It's pretty wide spans here. Those are some huge trees. I mean, it does it justice, really. But anyway, yeah, they've already got half of it done, it looks like. Working on the rest. I don't really want to disturb them.
No, walk against that horse trail. That's the fence.
I don't know if I can't see in the sun.
We didn't bring Mika today.
We didn't bring Mika today.
It's cold this morning.
It's a little chilly this morning. Not that she would care.
Yeah, 45 degrees.
45 degrees. Of course, when you get in the sun, them UVs hit you. You get in the shade and you're like, "Ooh, need a little sweatshirt or something." And you get in the sun, you're like, "Well, maybe the sweatshirt was a bad idea."
Go for a
Mm-hmm. This used to be, I think, a corral of some sort. Don't ask me.
Looks like they used to do some stuff with horses or something.
Yeah.
That's part of the show.
Maybe they used to have like a little rodeo or something down here.
Probably back in the day.
Anyway, I don't want to get too close. Oh, look, that's where they went in. Almost looks like a racetrack. Is there a racetrack? Like a little go-kart or something down here?
Wouldn't be here. That's random. I messed up all that metal roofing. I would have liked to have that.
Anyway, it's kind of cool. That's this. Wow. So cool to watch.
That's how you really
They probably, I wonder if like the wood part, they take it, because it looks like they're piling all of the metal over here. Probably takes the dump. And then that is so cool. And then the wood, they probably take it over to our burn area and burn it. Anyway, there's a pavilion over there. I would think that they wouldn't tear that down.
No. You can power wash that.
Yep.
You ain't power washing black mold off driveway.
Anyway, so this is kind of our park. They've been doing a little bit of remodeling. Oh, look at these. This is a prime example. Look at these picnic benches over here. This area, the whole area was covered. And this is still from that flood. And this was
5 years ago?
a couple years ago. And these picnic benches were all underwater. All this was underwater.
That house
So
was
this
underwater.
fencing, yeah, that house was underwater, completely underwater. You couldn't see it. That's the power box that was attached to it.
Basketball down here.
And you got a basketball hoop. There's a playground here. And then there's a playground way over there. And then they redid the tennis courts, or redoing them. They put new fencing up and all that. And then this, farthest over, is a baseball field. And they were gonna tear it all down. And a bunch of people from here got together and said, don't tear it down.
Petition.
A big petition. So now I think they're talking about redoing it. Actually.
Good.
But there's a trail that goes all the way around. I think I've showed you that before in previous videos. And I think I probably showed you all this before, but anyway, way over there that's the baseball field. And then that building is like a concession stand. So yeah, they petitioned not to get this tore down. So, and now there's a petition out. They want to know, they got a little extra money from somewhere, donation. They want to know like what all, they were getting votes out on what all people would want. Some said something about a football field, which,
They have a goal.
oh yeah, I guess they do have some goals. There's one there.
You can use it for soccer or football.
I guess there's one there behind the tree over there. Yeah, there is one down there. So, but the football field was one, playground, redoing the playground, a couple other things. But most people voted to redo
Trail.
the trail. So, I don't know if that's what their plans are
It does need help.
or what. I think this, tearing down this building that was already in, they already had money for that, but
Well, they've already had insurance money for years. They just sat on it.
yeah. So, but this trail, like I said, I think I've showed it to you before. It goes all the way around. There's the other entrance, or entrance off the highway to the park is over there. It goes all the way around, and then this river is it? It's the North Skunk, right?
One river.
No,
Skunk River, yeah.
Skunk. I think it's the North Skunk. I want to say.
Yeah.
It runs there, and the other side is like Highway 6. But yeah. So anyway, we like to come down and walk on this trail. So if it's wet, it's kind of a little bit harder because there's spots where it's just mud because it's hasn't really been taken care of, and so hopefully maybe they'll put some money into it. Anyway, so yeah, this is our park. It's not too bad of a park, and let's say goodbye to the building. Maybe they'll rebuild. There'll be a slab over there.
I doubt it.
I doubt it, but hey. Anyway, you guys have a good day, and thank you for watching. Like and subscribe. Thank you.